Hello friends, we have got our kitchenette on this trip with us, and we want to show you how to open it and how to close it, how to use it basically. But before that I would like to tell you what it is there inside. So dimension wise it's about 600 mm by 400 mm and about 460 mm in height. It is more or less, you can see it in the background, more or less benchmark for the space that's available in Bolero. It's if I'm right, that SUV or MUV which is having smallest boot space in its category. So the same configuration could be used for Porsche Gurkha or the new Thar, or for that matter Scorpio, and similar size MUVs. What it has is sufficient enough space for serving as a kitchen in the box for a family of 4 for 4 days and 3 nights. When I say it will house the vegetable supplies, it has a spice box, it also has a space for utensils, it carries a cooking hob, has a facility to use like a otla or a cutting board, and essentially also a water supply, and maybe not big but a small one, sink, where you can wash some of the utensils. So we will want to show you how to open it and how to close it. What you have here is a cooler which houses many of the cold supplies. Enjoy the lassi. Then you have the utensil store. So what's here? Utensils. Then you have the spice box and vegetables compartment. You can store your knives and everything there, maybe a lighter. Then you have the chopping board, and then cooking hob, and finally your supply of water for the camp.